Welcome to Paleo Low Carb Kate. Today we are going to be making some fork tender flavorful chicken thighs, and the best part, we're going to be making frozen chicken thighs. Can you make frozen meat using your instant pot? Most certainly. This particularly comes in handy when you've forgotten to remove the meat from the freezer the previous night or day, or you simply don't have the time to wait. So guys, let's get started. I have here my chicken thighs frozen. I just got this from my butcher and I put it in the freezer, and this is what we're going to be using. We're also going to be using my instant pot here. We're going to start by preparing our special spice blend. I'm going to be mixing ground cumin, ground paprika, some cinnamon, coriander powder, ground ginger powder, some turmeric powder and salt. We're going to give this a good mix, and then we're going to pour half of this spice mix over the frozen chicken thighs. Next, I'm going to crush some garlic cloves. I'm using about 5 cloves, but you can use more or less if you prefer. What if you don't have an instant pot? Can you use a normal pressure cooker to make this recipe? Most certainly. Just follow the recipe. I will say keep an eye on it because the cooking times sometimes tend to differ, but this shouldn't be a big problem. We're then going to connect the instant pot to the power source and then add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm then adding in the minced garlic, which I'm going to fry until fragrant, taking care not to burn it. We're then going to add about 1.5 cups of water or chicken stock, followed by the frozen chicken thigh. You can also pour some of the now hot broth on top of the chicken like this. Proceed to top this up with a sliced onion and about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. The lemon juice is optional. We are going to close the lid, set it to seal, and program the instant pot to cook at high pressure for 15 minutes. Allow the instant pot to naturally pressure release for at least 10 minutes once the cooking time is over. See what a lovely color it's got? Oh, I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. I know you're thinking, where's my crispy skin? But don't worry, I'm going to show you how we are going to get that crispy top and juicy and tender chicken thigh. We're going to briefly broil them. You can use your broiler or oven or even your Jiko or charcoal grill. Sprinkle some of the spice you preserved earlier on top and broil for about 5 to 10 minutes until crispy and well browned on top. Serve this with your favorite side dish. Thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to click on the notification button below so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Love you guys. Bye bye.